Okay, good evening everybody. Thank you very much for being here. We're joined with the head coach of the Jamaica Senior Men's National Team, Coach Steve McClaren. We'll now open the floor for questions from members of the media. Daniel, you want to kick us off?
Hi Coach, obviously a tough defeat. It looks like you guys struggled a lot to get control of the game. What would you put that down to?
I think we lost the game really in the first 20 minutes. We started strong. We were passive in our duels, so we lost the duels, and we didn't keep the ball. And they started the game better than us. First goal's always going to be important, and they got it. We fought back. We dominated the second half and made changes, but I think the disallowed goal kind of sums up the game. I don't know how we can disallow that. Richard King was really on an onside position coming through, so it was one of them nights where it looked like we were never going to score, and we didn't. And it shows the importance of the start. Generally we've started the game well. We got the first goal, which is always important. Unfortunately, we didn't get it this time.
Yeah, you obviously had to work with a new midfield, essentially, without Isaac and Casey here, having to play Bobby in a new role, and John also pushing up to the 10. Do you think that had any influence on how the team played in terms of getting that control and dominance in the game?
Yeah, we didn't get control, especially in the first 20 minutes in the midfield area, which is their strength. And yeah, Bobby's played there before as a double six against St Vincent. I've seen him play there for his club as well. But we didn't win enough duels in there. All loose balls they won. And once we conceded the first goal, it's typical. We fought back. We created lots of chances, clear chances. And as I said, the offside goal kind of sums up the evening. Feels like we were never going to score. And I've just said to the players, this group is never going to be easy. This was never going to be an easy game. And we've lost control of the group. We had control, we've lost control. And we've got enough games to play where we can get that control back. But in terms of where we wanted to be now, we're not where we want to be. We wanted to top the group and stay in control. Now we have to make sure we win on Tuesday. And people said to me, well, you win tonight, and you're one-footed. Football is never like that, never. And I didn't expect it. And I said all the way along, even after the first two wins, the qualification, who finishes top, will always go down to the last two games. And so we have to win Tuesday and prepare well for what are the two deciding games to come in November.
Coach? Yeah, like this year we do well when we're the front runners, right? But we've seen situations where we fall back and we have to face adversity to finish a tournament, and we haven't done so as of yet. What can we do or say going into the next couple of weeks to make sure that we could face adversity and triumph at the end of this all?
I have lots of experience, and I said at the beginning, and all groups will be the same. Always goes to the last two games. No one in any of the groups has the right to go all the way through. We knew this was going to be difficult. If we could have just got a result, whether that was a win or a draw, we still control the group. We've lost that control. We need to get it right, and we're capable of doing that. I think we have to win on Tuesday, and we have to make sure that yeah, we have tough games, Trinidad away and Curacao at home. So, like I said, it's not going to be easy. It's still not going to be easy.
Any other questions?